All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the action. We're gonna kick off this course with 3 fitness tests that I want you to do. So the first thing I want you to do is grab a sturdy chair that you're gonna be using for squats. Now what I want you to do is set a timer for 2 minutes, whether it's on your phone or a watch or even an egg timer if you wanna use one. What I want you to do is set that for 2 minutes, start the timer, and just sit down in the chair and stand up. Make sure that it's a comfortable height so that you're not jerking yourself forward out of the chair. You're having trouble getting low enough to sit down in, and make sure the chair is at a comfortable height for you to squat and sit down to and stand up from. And I just want you to record, write down on a sheet of paper, put in a notepad on your phone, how many squats you're able to do in 2 minutes. The next thing I want you to do after that fitness test, take a 4 or 5 minute rest, and then I want you to plank on the ground. And if you need a refresher for how to do a plank, just go to the exercise section of this course and check out the video tutorial on how to plank. I want you to use another timer this time, except it's going to be stopwatch style. So I want you to plank up, click the stopwatch to go, and see how long you can plank for. Make sure to write down that time too. The next thing I want you to do is rest another 4 or 5 minutes after that test. And we're just going to do a max push-up test. So whether you want to do a push-up from the modified position or the standard push-up position, either way is perfectly fine. And just see how many push-ups you can knock out consecutively before you have to completely stop. So you want to work to what we call volitional muscle failure, which just means you can't do another push-up rep. Write down those 3 numbers, and that'll be your fitness test to use for your standard for the rest of the time you spend on this program. This will give us a good idea of where you're at, and then once you use this program for 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, or a year, you'll be able to see the progress you've made with these exercises.